Hi and good day. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to share with you the second lesson that I have for integers, and that is subtracting integers. So without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, what are the rules that we need to observe in subtracting integers? The first one is if we subtract integers, we need to add its opposite. Add its opposite. Next is that we need to correctly change all our subtraction problems into addition problems. So the next question would be, how do we change a subtraction problem into an addition problem? I have 3 steps for you. The first step is to keep the first number or the first integer. In a subtraction sentence, it's usually called the minuend, the first number there. So we just keep it. We will not change anything on it. So the key word here is the word same. Step 2 is to change the subtraction sign into addition sign. Now, this simply means that we need to change the minus sign into plus sign. Our keyword here is the keyword or the word change. And our third step is to change or to take the opposite of the number that follows the addition or the plus sign. So we just need to change it. So if it's positive, we change it into negative. If it's negative, we change it into positive. So again, the keywords are same, change for the 3 steps. Again, the 3 steps, we need to keep the first integer or the first number. Second step is to change the minus sign into plus sign. The third step is to change the sign of the subtrahend or the number that follows the subtraction sign. So same, change. Let us remember these 3 keywords in performing subtraction of integers. Let us take some examples. Okay, our first example, we have here 5 minus negative 2. So going back to our keywords for our steps, the first step is the keyword same. No? So same meaning we just need to keep the first number. In this case, the first number is 5. The next keyword for step 2 is change. So from minus, we change it into plus. So we have 5 plus. And the third keyword is change again. We change the sign. We get the opposite of our second number. In this case, it's negative 2. And getting its opposite, we get positive 2. Now, our subtraction sentence or problem becomes an addition problem this time. It's now 5 plus 2. Remember, originally it is 5 minus negative 2, and now it's 5 plus 2. And since you already know addition of integers, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7 or positive 7. The second example, we have here negative 5 minus positive 2. Again, we keep the first integer, which is negative 5. That is for the keyword same. Negative 5, and then we change the minus sign into plus. So we have negative 5 plus. Now our positive 2, our subtrahend positive 2 becomes negative 2. So now our addition sentence is negative 5 plus negative 2. And the answer here is negative 7. Another set of examples. We have here no, it's not negative, it's positive 14 minus negative 12. Again, it's positive 14 minus negative 12. We keep the first integer, so we still have 14. We change the sign from minus, we make it into plus. Then we change the sign of the subtrahend negative 12, it becomes positive 12. So we have our addition sentence 14 plus 12, which is equal to 26. Next example, another example, negative 28 minus negative 20. We keep negative 28, our first number. We change the minus sign into plus, and then we change the sign of negative 20 into positive 20. So this time we have negative 28 plus positive 20. So how do we subtract? How do we add integers with different sign? We subtract them. So 28 minus 20 is 8, and we copy the sign of the number with the bigger or the larger absolute value. In this case, it's negative 28. So our answer here is negative 8. So let's practice subtraction of integers. I have here some problems for you to answer. You can pause this video or you can take a screenshot. Okay, here are the problems. Number 1, 5 minus 2. So that's positive 5 minus positive 2. Number 2, negative 3 minus positive 4. Number 3, negative 1 minus negative 2. Number 4, negative 5 minus negative 3. And number 5, 7 minus negative 6. Here are the answers for these problems. Okay, it's time to check your work. Let's have number 1, 5 minus 2. So we have two positive numbers. We keep 5. We change the minus sign into plus. And then we change the sign of 2 into negative 2. So 5 plus negative 2, addition of integers with different signs, one positive and the other is negative. We subtract, so 5 minus 2 is 3. And since 5, the bigger number, is positive, our final answer is positive 3. Number 2, negative 3 minus positive 4. We keep negative 3. We change the sign from minus to plus. We change the sign of positive 4 to negative 4. So what we have right now is negative 3 plus negative 4, and that gives us negative 7. Number 3, we have negative 1 minus negative 2. We keep negative 1. We change the minus sign into plus sign, and then we change the sign of negative 2 into positive 2. So what we have is negative 1 plus 2. So they have different signs. We subtract. 2 minus 1 is 1. And since the bigger number, which is 2, is positive, our final answer is positive 1. Number 4, negative 5 minus negative 3. We keep negative 5. Then we change minus to plus. We change the sign of negative 3 to positive 3. So what we have right now is negative 5 plus 3 again. Negative 5 plus 3 have different signs. So we subtract 5 minus 3. We get 2, and we copy the sign of the bigger number. In this case, 5 is negative, so we have negative 2 as our final answer. And lastly, we have for number 5, 7 minus negative 6. So we keep this positive 7 as it is, and then we change the minus to plus. We change the sign of negative 6 to positive 6. So what we have is 7 plus 6, our addition sentence. And we know that 7 plus 6 is equal to positive 13. I hope you learned something from this video, and kindly share this one. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Thank you, and God bless us.